Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to create a request for quotation by using vendor collaboration or vendor portal. So generally what does vendor portal do? We are providing only one module access to vendor, that is vendor collaboration module, and in vendor collaboration module vendor can access only these things, like he can participate in bidding, he can raise the purchase order confirmation, he can invoice. So mainly this thing vendor can do by using vendor portal, and by using vendor portal vendor no need to no need to bid by using his mail id or telephonic conversion or physically documentation. Just he have also access in vendor portal, so he can bid in real environment or real time, and it will make more efficient for vendor. Also we can attach the document. So let's see how we are doing. So for this, first we need to go to procurement and sourcing module under not here, sorry. This is our environment in D65 finance and operation, and this one is a vendor portal. So first we need to go procurement and sourcing module. Under procurement and sourcing module we have request for quotation. Under request of quotation or request for quotation, click new. Give title for purpose of request quotation, like I'm giving test demo, or let's to be RFQ by using vendor portal. Currency, we are not using project. Specify site and warehouse, and I choose it as a by default as a purchase agreement. So let's, I'm also giving as a expiring date this one. This is just for documentation purpose. Now okay. So request of quotation generally require only two things. One thing is vendor name, and item number, and if any document required, then we need to upload by using here we have you can see attached here, we can attached. So now let's see how this is going to work. So first I'm adding I'm line item. For line item I'm selecting let's use only this one, this item Surface Pro 128, and another item, I'm using gear gear 30 teeth 3 module, site and warehouse, item 10 and one quantity, and I'm specifying the price. This is 100 and this is 500 USD, sorry, 100 USD and 500 USD. Now I'm selecting in header vendor, from which vendor we want to send quotation. So we need to add vendor. So I'm adding one vendor, say see here have we have two status, one is lower status and another is higher status. This is nothing but suppose we have uh, 10 vendor, and one vendor we assign one item, and another vendor we rejected in case of two vendor. So it will show that one is accepted, one is rejected. Only for this we are using lower status and higher status. Now we have create a request for quotation. Under request of quotation we have also assigned item and vendor. Now we need to send this quotation to the vendor. So one thing we have noticed, like, the once we create the quotation, the status is created. Now we are sending this quotation to the vendor for their review. So I'm saving. Once we send, the status will change to sent, not to item. Now status change to sent means we already sent quotation to the vendor. Now we are waiting vendor reply. So now as a vendor, I am logging to my vendor portal. So this one is a vendor portal. I'm refreshing my screen. And we need to click vendor bidding. And under vendor bidding we can see there is a one invitation waiting. So this is vendor ID 006. You can see here, this is this vendor 006. So one should remember that vendor should have assigned the vendor portal. Now opening this bid. So here we have option, either we can decline, or uh, or we can bid. If you want to bid, then just we need to click the bid. And here we have option, either directly we can decline or submit or reset from RFQ. Reset from RFQ, what this functionality does. Suppose otherwise I will show you this functionality uh, in after few minutes. And this is nothing but RFQ attachment while creating, as I said earlier, if you attach anything we can see from here. And for bid attachment, if we attach anything, then we can see in RFQ. So I'll show you here. Okay, one thing I show you also here. I'm attaching. I'm attaching, or just either either I feel better. I attach one file. Not require. Which file I show you? Okay. Which file? Okay. I'm attaching one file that is rent receipt, and we can also see in preview. This is like this. Okay. So now this not required. Just delete it. For sake of demo, I'm not doing only. Just save it and back. And here we can see the. So we have received this from the customer, like they have got they require 10 item in first line, and they have price 100. So to win this quotation bid, I'm giving my best price, like in spite of 100 I'm offering 80. And for 500 I'm offering 450. After this I'm submitting. Yes. Now once this submitted by vendor, then we come here, and if you refresh the screen you can see the status is changed to received. Now I'm refreshing. Now status is changed to received. And to see, just we need to go manage reply. Under manage reply, edit RFQ. Okay. Now here see. Now vendor given his good price 80 for first line item, second line item 450. But still we are thinking no, we required further more reduce. We need to reduce the price. So now we are giving again some 75, and from 450 we are giving 400. Okay, this is further we want to reduce more. So now we submit here. Okay, and then I'm returning this because still we are not happy. We want to drop down more price from vendor. Okay, so now in vendor portal again I'm refreshing. Now we can see the return bid because now bid we have returned. So again I'm opening here, and one thing I forget to show you, like attachment. Okay, so I'll show you an attachment, how we can see the attachment in in attachment. Go back, quotation, manage reply. Uh, See here we have bid attachment. Under bid attachment we can see here the rent agreement that we have attached in our vendor portal. So this is also integrated in RFQ also, in vendor portal also. So now in vendor portal I'm doing this. Okay, so now customer suggested that they want further more reduced price 75 and 400. So this time I'm okay with, I'm just submitting okay. I'm agree as a vendor. We are agree, and we are ready to provide this further price to win this bid. Now we are going this in here. I'm going back, going back, and here you see the status will change to okay. So now we have received the vendor quote. We need to check how much they have quoted. So now we are okay with their price. So now we are accepting this bid. Okay, 750, 400. We are agree now. Okay. Now once we accepted this bid, then status will change to accepted. So and if you go vendor portal, then you can see here this moved from return bid to awarded bid. Okay, so when request for quotation by using vendor portal is very easy and very simple, and by using vendor portal we can avoid any manual intervention during quotation. Thank you for watching this video.